So as the launch date for the CMF Phone 1 approaches, we are receiving official leaks about the phone. And in my last CMF Phone 1 video, we got to know about the display specs, and now we have official news about the phone's CPU. In a video collaboration with Zach Nilsson, also known as Jerry Rick, CMF is assembling the main board of the phone. In the video, we see the CPU, which is MediaTek processor, confirming previous rumors. The parent company Nothing has also confirmed that the CMF Phone 1 will come with a Dimensity 7300 CPU. About the CPU, as per MediaTek, this ultra-efficient 4nm chip offers best-in-class power efficiency and next-gen capabilities, ensuring effortless multitasking, transcendent capture, excellent performance, and upgraded AI-enhanced computing. CMF will reveal additional details about the phone gradually leading up to the launch. However, we already have the main specifications, which should give us a good idea of what the phone will be like. Moving on, and for those who don't know the other specs and what CMF is offering, let me tell you. First of all, the company has officially confirmed that the CMF Phone 1 will have a 6.67 inches Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, mentioning that it has a vibrant and lifelike colors with HDR10+ support and clear visibility in any lights with 2000 nits peak brightness. Looking at the specs, this phone is going to compete with some big brands in the budget range, including its own parent company's Nothing Phone 2A. The CMF Phone 1 features a rounded volume knob on the bottom right side for easy volume control. It's a fun and unique way to catch people's eye. And guess what? This isn't the first time they have used this cool feature. Check out their newly launched earbuds, they have similar volume knob too. Now, regarding the price of the phone, we have received some information. According to the leak, the CMF Phone 1 will have a price of $239 for the 6GB and 128GB model. This price seems reasonable considering what the phone offers. With additional discounts and offers, the CMF Phone 1 is a great choice in that price range. The CMF Phone 1 also comes with a 5000 mAh battery and a 33W charging support, running Nothing OS 2.6 on Android 14 like the Phone 2A. Overall, the CMF Phone 1 looks good on paper, and we hope to see similar specs and performance in the real life. So what do you think of the CMF Phone 1? Let me know in the comments below. With that being said, subscribe if you like, and I will see you in the next one.